I'm back. It's Brian here, and so today, get the lights back on. So it's a new setting. I'm actually made these dark. This. Actually, if you want to see a light, here's light for you. So I went to the main place mall and I got to Macy's, or it is, and I found Sammy and Velociraptor. I almost forgot that when I actually changed my YouTube channel, so now it is now Anaheim 1767 instead of 1-1 Anaheim. So go figure. Let's go. Alright, so see the logos we always see when we see these figure packs. Not much talk about that because it's the same. Now, let me get some scissors and cut stuff. Just like Brooklyn Anamorphosaurus, you get a figure, a dinosaur, and accessories. Or like maybe an extra dinos and stuff. Gosh, I got everything. These are all the stuff. Let's start with Sammy. She is really cool, so I think it will work out if I get both of these. But obviously I got her. She's so cool. What I actually like is I can make a season 3 of her being like whacked by a Scorpius Rex. Because in the movies, she got whacked by a Scorpius Rex in season 3. I think this, and then that was episode 4. It's like, oh gosh, it was just a flick. And here are the compies. This is a brown compy. This is a yellowish, greenish compy. And the Velociraptor is really cool. It's blue with some green. And just like every like wild pack or attack pack raptors, they have the moving legs, these movable arms and mouth joints. Also, these compies can hang on to the minifigure. These are the newer style compies. So that's cool. New style compies. So it's really nice. I like it. I actually like to say about this. And I won't do comparisons with raptors because I have a bajillion of raptors. A bajillion amounts. I mean, like, how many raptors do I have? 17 raptors? I have no clue, but they look cool. The details were nice, and you know what they say. I thought some of these, they thought they were cursed images. I didn't think they're cursed. What are you saying? Like, YouTubers like, hey, this is cursed. And it's like, no, why is it cursed? It doesn't look cursed. I mean, the same thing goes with Brooklyn as well. Wow. Well, that's a fact, and I don't know why, but there was a YouTuber who they're tired of velociraptors. I mean, seriously, what is up with that YouTubers? Yeah, some YouTubers, like, when they like the Jurassic Worlds, when they're Jurassic World collectors, they like sometimes they don't like it, but I always like every of them. I'm in like the middle, so like I buy it. Anytime I see it, I buy it, but sometimes I don't. But when I only want to buy it, I just buy it. I don't skip it. Well, I skip it, some of them, even though they're my favorites, because I don't know stuff. But yeah, Sammy and Velociraptor and the compies, nice catch. Like and subscribe, and if you have compies And if you don't like bad things, the good things will happen if you subscribe. Also, I forgot to mention, we have hit over. We're now at 68 subscribers. I'm so proud we hit 60 subscribers. Next goal, get into 80 subscribers, and then next 100 subscribers. But actually, we're gonna before May appears. Can you make this channel to 100 subscribers? If we hit 100 subscribers, I will actually do a 100 subscriber celebration. So like and subscribe, and you will get years of good luck.